Hello everyone, welcome today, yes, special day today on Tuesday, September the 20th, 2022, the first Tuesday in September. We have here in the Netherlands Princess Day. Yes, the king will speak. The king's speech. Yes, the king's speech. Special day here. Um, well, we have here in this newspaper the daily regular puzzle, the medium Sudoku. But we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you the extra puzzles. The first puzzle is a ladder Sudoku. Then we have a 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with a 1 star. This one, in Dutch, they call it a Saiva block. And the final one, a binary puzzle, and those puzzles I'm not interested. So total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Half of them I will solve, and first, the medium Sudoku. Yes, the medium Sudoku, and this will be number 5202. Yes, 5202. Let me go up. 5202. Before I start, I always count the printed digits on this special day. Yes, Princess Day. King will speak. King's speech. Yes, 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 2 stars for 2 stars a puzzle. I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. So let's get started. Yes, 15 to 20 minutes. Let me see which number can I pick. How about well, the 3. The 3, yes. We have a 3 in this row, the 3 in the in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this column. No 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column. 3 in that column, so the column B3. The middle column, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this row. No 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row. 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 3. How about the 4 then? The 4 in this last row, the 4 in the row above. So that row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this first column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the middle row, so no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in the last column, so no 4 there, 4 should be there. Alright. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the first row, so no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4. And now, let me see. The next digit will be, let me see, it will be, how about 7? Let me see, 7, 8. Yeah. Well, yeah. The 8. The 8 in the first column. The 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in this row. So no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in the middle column, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. Here an 8 in the third row, so no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square, it could be here, it could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row. 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 8. Now we have an 8 in this column. So this box can be an 8 and more. That box should be an 8. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 8. And now, let me see. Still cannot continue with the 3. Okay. How about the 9 in this column, the 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 6. We have a 6 in this row. So no 6 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So no row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see here 6 in this column. No 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the last column. 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see here 6 in the first row. So no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see here 6 in the last row, so no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this column. So no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 6. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this first column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes here. 7 in the middle row, so no 7 in that box. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7. Thinking. 2 missing numbers in this second row. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in this box. The 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 through 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the last row, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left in the 1 box left for this 1 box left for the 9 should be here. All right, the 9 in the first column, the 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 9 should be there. The 9 in the last column, the 9 in the column next, so in that column, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the last row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see this is number 4, number 9. Alright. One box left in the third column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Then one number left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. So we have a 3 in the third row, the 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here, or there. Here, or there. We see here 3 in this column, no 3 there. Here 3 in the last column, so no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 5, number 3. Oh, right. Then, yeah. Look. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in this box. So the 7 could be here, it could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 7 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 7. But 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. Alright, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there in this big square, here or there. So we have a 1 in the last row. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see here 1 in the last column. So no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see here 1 in the middle row. So no 1 there, 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there, 1 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row. So no 5 there, 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Alright. Then 1 number left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Then 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this row, so no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 7. Now we have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 6, number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Alright. Two missing numbers in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in the middle column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2 is missing. Final number in this big square for number. The 1 and the 2 is missing. Finish in 15 minutes. Well, I've told you between 15 and 20 minutes I need for a 2 stars puzzle. Yes, and we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later on. I will do the extra puzzles in additional. Until then, bye bye for now.